tow bag. I've been for almost 2 weeks and the van's a mess.
Oh my gosh, Mama.
It's a horrendous mess. So we are kind of doing a little bit of repacking right now. And I got my new bag. So that's gonna replace my luggage that's inside because the luggage takes up too much space. No idea how long it's gonna take us, but I hope we have fun. Almost done, almost done, almost done! Make it so much neater now. Getting rid of this. I'm gonna donate all of those as well. Some cool donation. Repacking. This is our food box. Oh, you know what? Maybe I should take you guys on a quick tour of the van. It's gonna be fun. So this is the back of the van. Yeah, it has some stuff now because we're washing it, not drying up. So we have our food here, the eggs, beer, a mini cooler box here, cooler box, cooking stove, some water, bread, right over here. This is our shower tent, water tanks that we don't use, and we have a sink that we don't use as well because it's just a hassle to remove the dirty water after that. So that's the back. That's the back. That's the back. So in the front is just like driver's seat. That's where I sit. This is where Mary Lou sits. Our body boards. Our food box. All this goes to donation. Whew. Done. Finally. It's not easy living in a small space. Like everybody has so much stuff, you know. Alright, to the Salvation Army. Alright, so the reason why I'm dumping this is because it's taking up too much space. That's number one. And number two, the wheels are a bit wonky. Doesn't really roll well. So I don't know, I feel kind of sad throwing stuff, but since I'm donating, I think it's gonna be a little bit better for me. I hope it is. So just some history of the luggage. It's not really my luggage, it's my mom's luggage. So by the time this video is out, she's probably gonna scream at me. But who cares? It's bringing me so much problems. It's heavy, even with so little clothes inside and stuff. Yeah, and there we go.
So I've got no idea how to carry this.
Goodbye luggage. Yeah, we are in the family shop now. Right after we donate stuff, we want to buy stuff like
Hot.
yeah. So we kind of bought a pot set from Kmart. Was it Kmart? Yeah, I think it was Kmart. And then it kind of rusted like after use in 2 months. Yeah, the paint started coming off. Started to rust beautifully. So now we did a new pot. Oh look, they have a shot holder. It says fresh eggs, but they put shot glasses in there. Oh, there's more pots here. Oh, this shop is so amazing. They have so many things. It's crazy. Oh, Vegas. Oh, look at that Superman. Super good. Alright, I gotta do my shopping now. See ya. We got a new pot. $1 for a new pot. We can dump the old one now. right after packing our luggage, kind of forgot to take the solar shower down from the car roof, and we happily drove and drove and drove until Mary was like, "Hey, do you know where the shower is?" And it's not in the back of the car, and it's not on the top of the car either. So we lost the solar shower, and we're now at warehouse to get a new one. So we are at warehouse. So warehouse is like a place where you can buy almost anything. It's like a huge ass departmental store. You have clothes, sports equipment, fishing, camping stuff, but not much food. Later will be Pak'n'Save. These things are like $9. Pretty good, pretty good. Not too expensive. And they've had like a whole range of camping stuff here. And we're now at Pak'n'Save, my favorite shop.
Hello, no one is available to take your call. Please leave a message after the tone.
These two people, they're from Malaysia.
Yeah.
These two idiots here from Singapore.
Hi.
Practically neighbors.
Night fade away so quick, it was a blooper. We needed to get home, baby, we were troopers. We're a couple cuties with some matching Mini Coopers. Slowly forgetting about the PTSD. Thank God my ex-girl left me.
I got my speaker.
Everyone's checking
Boom, boom, boom.
I'll be feeling so shit.
So we're gonna have a barbecue and a steamboat party in the middle of the park.
Messages you ain't reading. Leave me, you'll find it easy, cause you ain't needing someone with problems in the evening. I be texting different girls drunk when you're leaving. How did I receive messages you ain't reading? Just believe me, you'll find it easy, cause you ain't needing someone with problems in the evening. I be texting.
Anything.
You all never see lotus before?
Yeah.
Have lah.
Never. Impossible lah.